From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. The US dollar initially fell a bit against the Canadian dollar during trading here on Tuesday, only to turn around and find buyers yet again. Ultimately, this is a market that I think will remain very noisy and very choppy, but really at this point, I just don't see why or how you would short. I recognize that it is in a downtrend over the last several months, but it's also worth noting that the 1.3550 level has been very significant as far as support is concerned. And I think that continues to be the case. The question now is, did we just form a small double bottom? Or are we forming a longer term double bottom? Both of those obviously could be bullish. And with that being said, I think you have to look at this through the prism of trying to get some cheap US dollars on a pullback and then taking advantage of any burst higher. If we do break out to the upside, the 50-day EMA is near the 1.3762 level, and breaking above that level then opens up the possibility of a bigger move to the upside, perhaps to the 200-day EMA at the 1.3925 level. Breaking down below the 1.3550 level, then it opens up the possibility of 1.35, but I think that's very unlikely at this point. And because of that, I think you've got a situation where you're just looking for the right setup, some momentum, maybe even a pullback. It is an area that has been important for some time, and therefore I do not think that it's going to be easy to get short, at least at this point. Furthermore, the interest rate differential continues to favor the United States, and that is something worth keeping in the back of your head as well.